There are plenty of ways to buy your next home. The do-it-yourself way, the word-of-mouth way, the my friend of a friend is sort of an agent in her free time way, or there's the RE/MAX way. It's the smarter way to buy a home. Precision medicine is the future of healthcare, and Prescient Medicine is leading the charge to make it a reality. You've got personal property, valuable property, and home replacement coverage, aka the damage is covered, including your Nutcracker collection. Hydrogenic's natural and flawless brightening cream moisturizes, nutrifies, and brightens your skin. It's time to do our taxes, which means it's time to get a refund. Hey, I'm one of those ads you can talk to and get a response. Weird, right? Quick TMI question. How clean is your butt right now? Every Friday in December is Frenzy Friday at Fashions by Co-op, carrying brands like Silver and Tribal.